Welcome to America. Are you crazy? How's your weekend, guys? Are you do a laundry also? Because here in the Philippines, if it's weekend, it's a laundry time, laundry day. The weekend. Hit the like, guys, and subscribe to my channel. All your support, guys, is much appreciated. Hi, Sydney! Haman, san? San, hi, man? Hi, you are pretty. Thank you. What is your name? Noise Scope Violins. I have one request. What is that? Please be respectful, guys. You're working. You are washing clothes, right? Yes. This is our way of washing our clothes here. Can I have mod and whenever? Mod is my birthday. Oh, really? It's your birthday today? Happy birthday to you. I give a moderator only people who always support my channel, guys. Like, always joining my live. Yeah, if you join my live every day, I will give you moderator. What is your country? I am from the Philippines. Hello, all you. Hi, Lily Panotan. Thank you for coming, guys. Me too. Oh, where are you from? Where are you in the Philippines, Sydney? Are you in the Philippines too? I'm in Mindoro. You are Mindorinyang. RC Kali. Hi, RC. Thank you for joining, guys. All your support is much appreciated. Please subscribe and like. What is your way of washing our clothes in your house, guys, or in your place? This kind of way or not? Or you have a automatic washer? Mercy de la Cruz, thank you for coming. Hi po, hello Mercy. Taga saan ka po? Where you from, Mercy? Taga Cavite po. You are from Manila, Cavite. Kumusta po ang weather dyan? How's the weather in Cavite now? Shampoo ka po! Aksiya, mina tayo? Ang kabo, tas kwan. Dande. Shampoo kang kabo ha. Nakabati ka? Ang kakil ko ba?